In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use a branch node to send participants down different paths in your experiment based on their performance in a task. First, let's preview the task where we want to track participants' performance. The participant sees 4 trials of a categorization task. On each trial, they can be correct or incorrect. Let's go back to the task builder and see how this is set up. Screen 3 of the task display is where the participant responds. On the Screen tab, a scorer component marks the response as correct or incorrect. For more on how to set this up, see our separate tutorial on scoring in Task Builder 2. Below the scorer component is a save accuracy component. This is set up to save the total number of correct answers to a field in the store called correct. Now let's see how we use this store field when we add our task to an experiment. So far, we've added our categorization task to the experiment. Next, we need to add a branch node. Click Add Node and select Branch. We now need to set up the rules for sending participants down each possible branch. First, let's set up the Fail branch. The first drop-down menu contains all store fields from tasks in your experiment. Here we select Correct to branch on the participant's number of correct answers. From the second drop-down, select the comparison rule you want to use. Here, participants fail if they get fewer than 3 trials correct, so we select is less than. In the final box, enter the reference value you want to compare to. Here we enter 3. We then set up our Pass branch, checking if the same store field is greater than or equal to 3. We also select one branch as default. Participants who don't match any branch rule will go down the default branch. Now we connect our Fail branch to the Fail questionnaire and then on to a Reject node. We connect our Pass branch to the Pass questionnaire and on to a Finish node. Finally, we can preview the experiment to make sure it's all working correctly. If the participant gets fewer than 3 trials correct, they see the Fail questionnaire. If the participant gets 3 or more trials correct, they see the Pass questionnaire.